Holland is richly blessed with water. Lakes, rivers, seas, it's all here. Quite a number of Dutchmen depend on the presence of water for their very existence. Not long after, a number of polders were drained, including the Flevo polder. Large areas of agricultural land were won. Construction began on new cities, roads, and a new railway line. From the air, you can see where bulldozers cleared the track. The soil testing report said that the former seabed was insufficiently firm to form a basis for the new railway track. In order to prevent rail slides, the full length of the track has to be dredged out and filled with sand. On either side, a support dam is constructed and the space in between is filled with fluidized sand. The same procedure is repeated once more before the body of the railway bed is ready. As soon as the stretch to Almere is finished, two trains start to break in the tracks. Not normally side by side like here, but an exception can be made for the film. Breaking in the track is necessary to give it the required flexibility. Very slowly at first, but gradually the speeds are increased. In May 1987, the stretch to Almere was opened. A year later, the railway line runs all the way to Lelystad. The Flevo polder is now linked to the old land more firmly than ever.